Hello friends, welcome to Facts Edition. Today's video is about the unbelievable facts about the world, mainly about nature. Number 1. The deepest place on Earth is the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. It's 36,201 feet, 11,384 meters deep. That's almost 7 miles. Number 2. The longest river in the world is the River Nad, clocking 6,853 kilometers in length. Its water resources are shared by 11 different countries too. Number 3. Lobsters are not biologically mortal, but they do produce an enzyme that repairs their cells and help their DNA to replicate indefinitely. That's where the myth comes from. Number 4. The deepest freshwater lake in the world is Lake Baikal, located in Siberia. It plunges to a whopping depth of 5,315 feet, which is 1,620 meters. Wow! Number 5. Pineapples take 2 years to grow. Number 6. Acacia trees in Africa communicate with each other. They emit gases to alert other trees to produce the toxin tannin, which protects them from hungry animals. Number 7. Niagara Falls never freezes. 8. Each limestone granite block that makes up the Great Pyramid of Giza weighs 2.5 tons, and there are 2.3 million of them. Yes, you have heard it correctly. Number 9. It would take you approximately 18 months to walk on the way along the Great Wall of China. It's over 5,000 miles long.